Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Now, you might wonder why there are quizzes and assignments as you go in this course that asks you for things that are not yet explained. This is the goal of this challenge. Now, we are doing this because sometimes you need to go out there and search for the information. As an embedded system engineer, Google should be your friend. And in this lesson, I will teach you how to search for things that you know nothing about. Let's say that you encounter a quiz question or an assignment that asks you to do a specific thing or to answer a specific question that wasn't covered in the lectures. We are doing this in purpose to make sure that you have the skills to search Google and find the answer and understand it on your own. We do teach you a lot in this course, but we won't be able to cover 100% of the knowledge in the world. So, we are following this approach.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here